Hi guys, in this video I'm reviewing the all new Hyundai I20N. It's been a long time coming, but here's the full review. And I'm sorry the dealer's next to a busy road too. So, first off, let's count the N badges. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, just there, and 13, and 14, 15, 16, and 1 under the bonnet, which makes it 17. So, it's got the all new front end, as you can see. It's got your black on the front grille. It's got your intercooler, front splitter. I think it is, no it's not. So that's made out of plastic. This colour is red. It's got your LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. Black and silver treatment in the headlights. It's got your 18-inch alloy wheels. They're like a gunmetal grey colour. It's got P0 tyres on it. Side skirts, as you can see. September 21, it says there. I've good room in the front, as you can see. Door pockets. It's got a Bose sound system too. Have good room in the back, as you can see. 1 map pocket. So that's for 1 map pocket. There's no flip down center armrest. Good look at the seat trim. It's got your performance blue stitching. It's got door pockets on all 4 doors. Bose there, as you can see. Got your black roof, shark fin antenna. Good look at it from this angle. That's it there, as you can see. It's got rear parking sensors and reversing camera. Single exhaust outlet. Boot space isn't the greatest. It's got 3 top tether points, rear parcel shelf, got your little rear spoiler there, as you can see. Here's your brake light. good look at it from this angle, as you can see. Sorry about the noise outside. It's not my fault, so I can't help it. Just going to set you up there where I open the bonnet to show you what's special under there. I'll be back with you shortly. Here it is, still 1.6 litre, 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, which makes 150 kilowatts of power and 304 newton meters of torque. Cool. Somewhere is a tiny little turbo. That might be it there, maybe, I'm not sure. But there it is anyway. Battery there, as you can see. Fuse box. Looks good. And also, like mirror caps too. Here's a good look at it from this angle. So there it is, as you can see. Here are your alloy face pedals. You might be able to see them. The blue LED light somewhere too. So, 6-speed manual transmission. So to start it, you put your foot on the brake and foot on the clutch. Open the door so you can hear it. So, again, 6-speed manual. Start it, you put your foot on the brake, foot on the clutch. Make sure it's in neutral. Yep, that's in neutral, and then press this button. Doesn't have much exhaust sounds to it, only a little bit. Does sound good, pretty quiet still. That's it, as you can hear. So, starting here, it's got your electric windows, electric mirrors. Down here, it's got your blind spot alert. Automatic windows. That window isn't automatic. So, automatic, so only the driver's windows automatic. Electric folding mirrors, so stops people from bumping them in the shops. What's the build quality like? Very good build quality, I'm happy to report. There are, apart from the hard and cheap and nasty plastics in here. So, starting here, it's got your automatic headlights and wipers. Traction control button. Yep, that's off. You must always turn traction control off in a performance car, guys, like this one. 433 kilometers left of fuel. It's done 28 kilometers. It's got auto start stop too. Performance blue here. So that's on all four doors. There's performance blue stitching throughout the car. Even here too. And here. And on the handbrake. And on the steering wheel too. So it's a leather wrapped steering wheel with perforated leather here and here. So as you can see, with your performance blue stitching, and it continues up here too. So it's got normal cruise control, but it does have lane and steering assist though. It's got lane keep assistant, auto emergency braking, and blind spot alert, and maybe a few other things. And it's through this camera here. Normal rear view mirror. And N modes, I'll get to them soon. So, it's got Bluetooth and voice control, which only works with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And iPod and USB mode. So, it's got single zone air conditioning. Don't want it on high on a hot day. Lights that they light up white, as you can see. Air circulation, AC, direction of air. That's on your hand, that's coming to your face and your feet. Temperature, auto, off. Wireless phone charger. 12 volt socket, USB, so charging port, USB, wireless phone charger like I said, driving mode, camera, you can turn your rear parking sensors off, so map reading lights, vanity mirror, so good if your passenger is doing her lipstick. Same on this side if a driver is doing their lipstick or something like that. So, and driving modes. So, first is, so there's two N buttons. Sport, Eco, Normal, and there's a different sound in the exhaust too when you go into sport mode. I'll stay quiet and see whether you can hear it get a bit louder. You might have heard that. So That's eco. That's what the gauges look like when it's in eco. And normal. And sport. The gauges look sporty and red and racy. Sport's the one to go for. Now to this N button, let's see. ESC disabled in custom 1 mode settings. Yep, that's good. So, rev button. Rev matching on. Rev matching off. Turn it back on. So that's it there, as you can see. It's 28 degrees outside. Tells you your oil temperature, engine temperature. So, attention level. So it's got driver attention alert as well. Back to N mode. Turbo, PSI, torque, lap timer, turbo timer, I think it is. So, and back to the start. So, both N buttons here, and rev matching here. So, infotainment system, starting with N mode. So, throttle, oil temperature, engine temperature. So, it tells you what gear I'm in, kilometers per hour. And that's it there, as you can see. And this is for your gears as well. To 6-speed manual transmission. Lap timer. Engine, normal. Sport. And Sport Plus. Normal. So steering, so normal. Sport, Sport Plus. Let's have a feel in the steering difference. So it's got electric power steering. It's nice and light. Go to Sport mode. Don't feel a difference in the steering. Sport Plus. No difference in the steering. So steering's nice and light. Rev matching, so it's off. Normal, Sport, Sport Plus, ESC. So normal, Sport, Sport Plus. Are you sure you want to turn off the traction control and stability? Yes, must do in any performance car. Brake pressure too. Throttle, oil temperature, engine speed, brake pressure, speed. And there's all the settings there, as you can see. I'll get another demonstration from here. So it's a bit bigger. So engine, normal, sport, Sport Plus, steering, normal, Sport, Sport Plus, ESC, normal, Sport, Sport Plus, exhaust sound, normal, Sport, Sport Plus, rev matching, it's off, normal, Sport, Sport Plus. It's got launch control, G-force, turbo PSI there, as you can see, lateral mode, and don't know what this says. You can activate launch control, performance options. and also shift light, in road sense you can activate it. So radio, it's got AM FM radio, DAB digital radio, so try and get an example of that sound system. Save it as favourites. Tells you what song is playing, and we're listening to Zinc 96.1. As you can see, you can skip tracks by here and list. As you can see, going back, so that's home. So that was a Bose sound system. So it's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's no sounds of nature, unfortunately. Map there, as you can see, you can zoom in and out. How do you going? So that's the whole world, and zoom in back in. As you just saw, that's where we are right now. So we are at the Hyundai dealership here in Gympie. Navigation menu, search, points of interest, previous destinations, Hyundai dealerships, cancel route, route overview, plan tour, route options and traffic. Show you an example with the Hyundai dealerships first.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
So that's it there, as you can see. I've got 57 kilometers to drive, and I won't get to my destination until 16 minutes past 5. Comes up here too, as you can see. I'll go to a full navigation if I can. That's it. So, comes up here, as you can see. Cancel route. So it comes up in previous destinations, as you can see. Points of interest, service stations, parking, coffee shops, fast food, restaurants, convenience stores, shopping and groceries, pharmacies, banks, ATM, accommodation, hospitals, police stations, community centres, roadside assistance, tourist attractions. Show you one example with each if I can. the big shell.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
Comes up here as you can see. So I won't get to my destination until 19 minutes past 5 and I have 57 kilometers to drive. Tells you what direction I need to travel in. Cancel route. I'll show you one more example with the points of interest, then I'll move on to the next one. Compass here too, as you can see.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
So I have 2.5 kilometers to drive and I won't get to my destination until 30 minutes past 4. Menu. Route. So you can search. So that's a park. You can save parking. Yep, you can go save.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
So Narrow Crescent Park. I'll have 233 kilometers to drive and I won't get there until 15 minutes past 7. Right, cancel the route. Previous destinations, as you can see. Traffic. So media. It does have sounds of nature. Lively forest, snowy village. That doesn't sound the best. warm fireplace. Open air cafe, rainy day. Motion waves. So there's a list, as you can see. You can skip through it. You can pause it and unpause it. Quiet mode, media, climate. So that's it, as you can see. Phone, manual, and modes too. So drive custom 2. So that's the infotainment system. And looking around the interior, it looks good. That's the exhaust sound. Right, let's shut it off. So the key, Hyundai logo here, N logo, emergency key, lock, so that's lock, unlock and boot button. Tells you what doors are open to. So, this is Jordan's Car Reviews, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the notification bell. Please also like and share the video. Please also drop a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.